Good medical morning. This is Watson from World's Greatest Medical, and today we're going to look at some of the most incredible dilated pores that I have ever seen. Let's get started with some blackhead removal clips, so you have time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell. Number 5 is this huge dilated pore of Weiner from @GreatestMedical on Instagram. This thing is so amazing we may need to watch it twice. Next up is a petite little dilated pore. Adorable, right? Number 3 is one being excised with a Comedone Extractor. We'll put a link to our favorite pimple popper kit in the description, so check it out. Number 2 is more of an honorable mention. Do you think it's a dilated pore, or is it actually just an ear blackhead? Comment below. Here are a few more pimple pops for your viewing pleasure. Again, take a moment and click that subscribe button. Now, number 1 is an oldie but a goodie. Check out this massive clogged pore. Nice. Alright, now let's take a look at our favorite pimple popper toolkits.